In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pixel art in GIMP. We're going to set up a clean, precise workspace so every single pixel you place is intentional and easy to see. By the end, your canvas will be perfectly prepared for classic, crisp pixel art. Start by opening GIMP. Once it loads, create a brand new image by going to File, then New. For pixel art, small dimensions are your friend because each pixel matters. In the New Image dialog, set the size in pixels. Common choices are 32 by 32 for tiny sprites or 64 by 64 for a bit more detail. You can choose whatever fits your project, but keep it intentionally small so your artwork keeps that retro, blocky charm. When you've picked the size, click OK. Your canvas might look tiny on screen at first. That's exactly what we want. Next, let's make the pixels big enough to work with. Zoom in by holding Control and scrolling your mouse wheel up. Keep zooming until you're around 800 to 1600%. At this magnification, you'll be able to see the individual squares clearly, making it much easier to place pixels exactly where you want them. Remember, you're only changing the way you view the canvas, not the actual size of the image. The artwork will still be the exact dimensions you set. To help guide your placement, turn on a visible grid. Go to View, then Show Grid. You'll see grid lines appear across your canvas. This overlay is simply a guide. It won't be part of your final image, but it's incredibly useful for planning shapes, aligning edges, and counting pixels as you draw. Now let's make sure that grid lines match the actual pixels. Go to Image, then Configure Grid. In the grid settings, set the horizontal spacing to 1 and the vertical spacing to 1. This means each grid square represents exactly 1 pixel. Click OK to confirm. With this setup, what you see is truly what you get. Every grid cell is a single pixel on your canvas, which is perfect for precise editing and clean outlines. That's it for the foundational setup. You've created a small, purpose-built canvas, zoomed into a comfortable level for detailed work, turned on a helpful grid overlay, and configured it so each square lines up precisely with a single pixel. From here, you're ready to place pixels with confidence and craft clean, sharp pixel art in GIMP.